Hello everyone and welcome to Principle 73 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt. Here we are with our 73rd principle in this series. And this one's a pretty good one, I would say overall. I absolutely love this one, and this one is to make small changes. So many of us kind of go through this process in life where we want to make big changes. Come on, we've all been there. We've all yeah, I want to get rich overnight. Yeah, I want to be great at this. Yeah, I could do this. And we kind of have this montage culture almost. You know those movies where suddenly you go from being the loser to they go through the montage and now they're the best at whatever, or now they're in shape, or now they're the greatest. The reason they do that is because those scenes, if you just took them normally, they wouldn't be that interesting. Put music to them and cut between them, suddenly it sounds cool, it sounds awesome, it sounds doable. And we kind of feel like our life should be able to be changed in a montage. We just think, okay, I'm going to put on my favorite song, I'm going to go through 2 minutes of work here, and suddenly I'm going to be a great athlete, I'm going to be a great trader, I'm going to be a great writer, I'm going to be, I'm going to have this whole project done, I'm going to have my paper written, I'm going to have all A's. Whatever it is you're going after, you think suddenly you're going to have it in 2 minutes after your favorite song. But then in reality you don't, and so most of us end up getting a little bit demoralized based on just not achieving our overnight success. And there's almost this need to do it in that period. We kind of just feel, okay, I'm so ambitious, I can see what I want to do, but the patience to get there is really hard, okay? Even for people who are very good at delayed gratification. A lot of people have a hard time getting excited over small changes. For example, if you make passive income, say you make $1 a day in passive income, and you find out about something that would take 15 minutes and would give you an extra 15 cents every day. You think, okay, 15 cents doesn't seem like a lot. How's that going to change my life overall? It's not. But if you look at your passive income as a structure you're trying to build to a point that eventually it becomes kind of your nest egg, and it's going to pay your mortgage, it's going to pay your bills, it's going to pay all your liabilities, then an extra 15 cents, particularly if you're only starting out earning $1 a day or less, even if you have no passive income, this is your first growth. I mean, that's a 100% jump right there. If you have $1 a day in passive income, you're making an extra 15 cents, an extra 15%. That is a massive boost in passive income. But a lot of us don't celebrate those kind of small changes. We're like, 15 cents, that's nothing. So we don't go after actually getting things like that. We think, oh, I'm going to come up with this thing and I'm going to get an extra $1,500 a day. I'm going to get 15 grand a day. I'm going to be the best. I'm going to be the greatest. And it's not wrong to have goals like that. You can easily have goals like that, and you can achieve them. The problem is we often try to go from zero to hero, okay? We want to think we're just going to go from level 0 to instantly being level 100. We could go from, being no good as an athlete to suddenly going pro. And that's just ridiculous, okay? And the idea here is really just that great change is made slowly, okay? It's just brick by brick. And we need to celebrate the incremental things. When we have any progress, okay, literally any, celebrate it, okay? I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's the smallest thing in the world. Freaking celebrate it, okay? Because if you can push up your wins, you're going to win more. If you can push up your losses, okay, then you're going to lose less. So lose less, win more, that is a perfect equation right there, okay? But most of us do the opposite. We say our wins are not that big a deal. Oh, I make an extra 15 cents a day, that's no biggie. And we think that, oh, I had this loss, that's terrible, it just means I'm going to be, a failure all my life. No, okay? The thing is, celebrate the small things, okay? See the good in them and see their potential to grow into the big ones. Think that if I can start earning an extra 15 cents a day, someday I'm going to be able to earn an extra $15 a day, an extra $1,500 a day, an extra $15,000 a day. Whatever it is, see every small change as a stepping stone to your overall goal. And soon enough, you're going to get there. And you're going to be surprised when you get to your goal in the end, because you're going to be like, wow, I didn't see this coming. Anyway, that's about it for part 73. Enjoy the small changes, celebrate them, and I'll see you guys next time with part 74. I'm Walt. See you then.